Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to create dribbble account. So first of all, go ahead to your App Store, Google Play, double check if there is a new update coming, including dribbble app. So go back to your screen and then go ahead to your browser. If you want to create a dribbble account, just head to the sign up page, and then while creating your account you will select a dribbble username, add an avatar, and start populating your profile to make it unique to you. So basically you can just go ahead and see how it's done, and then this process takes about 5 minutes. However, once you create your username and password, you can pause the process and come back to it anytime here, and basically you can start by adding your avatar, bio, social profiles, and portfolio link, and then you can add to profiles you can add masthead, and you can add intro text, and for designers you can add work preferences and upload your work. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.